I want to meditate, but I don't have time. This is one of the most common questions and answers which we are receiving. People would like to go deeper into their meditative practice. They would like to take some time to practice yoga, meditation, spirituality, but daily life does not give us the time. I'm so busy. I'm working 2 jobs. I have 3 kids. I'm busy with 4 different types of hobbies. I don't have time. That is, in a way, almost the disease of the modern period. Meditation doesn't take time. Meditation gives time. Give yourself a break. Allow yourself to slow down. And make space for those things which really matter. There are so many benefits of meditation. It's been clearly, scientifically proven. And not only in the last years and decades, the MRI, CT scanners are really giving evidence, scientific, objective evidence of the benefits of meditation. Already for generations, centuries, millennia, human beings have experienced the benefits of meditation firsthand. It's a time-proven wisdom. Why are we not taking more time? We are at the forefront of the human evolution. Now we are the cutting edge to, yes, explore space, beyond the moon, go to Mars, sure. But do we go deeper within? Can we become astronauts, adventurous explorers of our own inner being? Knowing that this is not a waste of time, but this is actually where the more profound meaning of life is. Not in the answers of our minds, but in the wisdom of our heart. But we need to give ourselves some space and time to explore the wonderlands of consciousness. So, how can we find the time? The best and foremost recommendation is early in the morning. Basically, first thing. Literally, it can be the very first thing. You can even start your day literally with a micro meditation in your bed. As you wake up, you start in a final relaxation type of shavasana. You're floating there. And then you simply take some pillow, something, and you sit up. Very slowly, you arrive in that new position from lying into sitting. And you're simply observing the softness and the profound peace which is still lingering from the softness of the night. This is one of the best moments to go deep into a short but sweet meditation. And it is actually known to be a primary opportunity to address also our subconscious mind in that change of consciousness between sleeping and waking. Between the two is where it's at. So you can even plant some seeds, meaning establish a reconditioning in your subconscious mind. Maybe a little gratitude practice. Thank you for another day. Living in a fairly safe place, in a fairly healthy body. Thank you to life. So if you start with such an attitude of gratitude, your day can look completely different than if you start with the rush of a to-do list and I have to, and starting already with hyperactivism on waking up is not the best way to start the day. So, very first thing upon waking up, and or you might need to go to the bathroom maybe refresh a little bit, and then do your practice first thing in the morning. Have your phone still on flight mode. Because if you take the airplane mode off, you're actually traveling to different cities, countries, past, future, people sending you messages about this and that. Amazing. Possibilities of the information age. Amazing. No doubt. But it takes us out of ourselves and externalizes our life into the world. And in a way, other people and other corporations, companies are taking our attention, our most valuable resource, time. So don't start the day with other people's lives and interests. Give priority to the depth of your own experience. Go within, nourish your body, mind, and soul. Just for a few minutes, take a deep breath and relax as you welcome the day. Everybody has a minute or 3. To be honest, everybody actually has 7 minutes. Remember, meditation doesn't take time, it gives time. Give yourself that space and time. But people say, like, I'm super busy. I'm just really, I just cannot do 7 minutes. Like, I just have so many things to do in my life. Meditation teachers frequently get asked, how long should I meditate minimum per day? What's kind of the rock bottom basic? A frequent answer would be at least 7 minutes. More common, actually, 15 minutes. That would be the minimum basic daily practice. But even if you can do 3, it's better than nothing. So 3 minutes is better than nothing. But we actually do it. And the regularity is the name of the game. The continuity, the repetition helps to establish new beneficial habits. But if I'm having a week where I'm super duper busy and I'm like, I don't have time, then you should actually not reduce your time of meditation, but double it up. Because if we're so busy and so stressed out, we need the meditation even more. So when you don't have time, meditate double your period, not less. So give it a try. Best wishes for your exploration, your first-hand experience. And please share your tips and tricks how to make time for meditation in the comments below, so other people can learn from your experience and we can grow and benefit from each other's wisdom. I'm very much looking forward to hear your feedback about your practice, and I'm curious where we will go in the next videos. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other tips and tricks about recommendations of meditation, yoga in daily life. And we'll meet again rather sooner than later, here or in the Balinese yoga capital Ubud. Loving wishes from the tropics. Namaste.